Hello, my third grade friends, and we are doing math review answers for week 8, day 2. Be sure to try to have done at least 10 minutes of this math homework, and then you are checking your answers. If you have the wrong answer, please make sure that you get it corrected. And then remember, since I did send home these packets, that you need to show your work. You can't just write the answer. I need to see your work, whether that means you take 2 pictures or just 1 picture. It doesn't, we'll go from there. Okay, so let's get started. The first question asks about how many people entered the Bake Off in 2001 and 2002. So we are going to be looking at this. In the picture that I sent that is on Canvas, we actually have already identified about how many. So we said in 2001 there was about 270. In 2002 there were about 375, and in 2003 there were about 280. So the question is asking about 2001 and 2002. So these are the two values we need to look at. So 270 plus 375. Okay, so if I did this, I'm gonna look at doing the break. I'm just going to do standard algorithm because I'm running out of space, and obviously you might run out of space too, so you might need to write this on another area so you can show me your work, because part of your grade is showing me that you are doing this. You can't just do it in your head. 0 plus 5 is 5. 7 plus 7 is 14, so I'm going to put the 4 here, and I'm going to put the 1 right over here because that's how you carry that. And then 1 plus 2 is 3, plus 3 is 6, so about 645 people entered the Bake Off. Okay, so right here on my notes right here, I'm going to put 645. Again, you don't have to mark all of these things out, but I do need to see clearly your work. Number 2 is asking us to add all these things together. So I'm going to do maybe something a little different. So I'm going to add these two, 15 and 10. Those are easy things. So together they equal 25. Now I need to still add 37 to that. So now I'm going to bring down 37. And if I did the break apart method, 5 plus 7 is 12. Okay. And then 20 plus 30 is 50. Now I have to add these two together. 50 plus 12 is equal to 62. Okay. Again, please show your work. I feel like in this space you might have a little bit more space to do that. But either way, show me your work. Okay, and then the next one is write the number as a word. So 212, okay? So this would be 200. And because I am giving you the answers and you're checking your answers, your words need to be spelled correctly. So 212 is how you would spell that. Please make sure you have that written down either here, and it needs to be spelled correctly, okay? Now the next one is a two-step, okay? We have to read the directions. That is really important. Round each number to the nearest 100 and then add, okay? Again, sequential things. So I'm going to write this right here. I'm going to write 261 and then 487. Hopefully, you know that if we are rounding to the nearest 100, we are looking at the tens column right there. So 5 and above, give it a shove. That means if it's 5 and above, you round up. 4 and below, leave it alone, which means you round down. So if I'm looking at 261, the important number here is 6, or the 60. So that's going to round up to 300 because I'm rounding to the nearest 100, so I should end with hundreds. And then 487, the 8 is more than 5, so I'm going to round again up. And so that's going to, 487 to the nearest 100 is going to round to 500. So now I can add these two together because I'm doing the second step, and it's important to read the directions. Is 0 plus 0 is 0, 0 plus 0 is 0, and 3 plus 5 is 8. So it is about 800. Okay? Please take a picture of your work. Ooh, and the secret word is going to be water bottle. Okay, I need to see the secret word somewhere on your paper because then that's going to show me that you've watched this video. Okay, or right over on this side I could put water bottle. Either way. Okay, we'll see you in the next one. Please get this submitted and take a clear picture of your work, and we'll see you in the next video.